Okay, so here we'll see how to run the app locally, user end, and the backend API. Now, of course, this backend API, remember, we're gonna run it for our drivers, restaurant, and user end. And for admin panel, actually, we have a different API. Anyway, so make sure you go ahead, if you got the code, make sure that you have the correct string URL, MongoDB string URL. Now you can directly use it, but of course this is connected to my database. Now in earlier tutorials I have shown you how to get the database and install it locally. Not locally, actually, on MongoDB. Anyway, so once you have the code, you can have this one on your own or use the currently that I'm using, and then you do npm I. Now I have already done it. With this you'll get this package ready, and after that all you need to do npm start. So it'll run the server, and it's listening at port 603. If you ever want to change the port, you can also change here. All right, now at the same time, as you will see, that we need to come to our front end. Now front end, of course, this is a code this is the link that's been given to you for a quick testing, but in our case right now we want to run it locally, which is good for debugging. So make sure that you comment this out and create another app-based URL, this one, just copy this. And since we are going to running on Android, so we're gonna have this localhost address for Android, okay, and make sure the port number is correct. Now if you ever decide to run it on iOS, then you can just go ahead with 127 like this. Just let me go ahead and write it. Okay, like this. So that should be fine for iOS. And Android, you have to use this one. Okay, so anyway, you can go ahead and restart your app, and then we'll see that everything is running over here. Okay, and well, we might have some other issues, but that's not important. So now here I am. I'm actually logged in. So let me demonstrate the login logout. So here I'm going to do this. Okay, so token updated successfully. So here we are, and this is our database that we are in right now. All right.